Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can message you in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it usually opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, then tap on settings and privacy. Here, if we scroll down again, we find privacy and safety. And in this section, if we scroll down a bit, we find the direct messages under the Your X activity section. And here at the top of the list, we find allow message requests from, and here we can tick the box, tick the circle that we want to be applied. So for example, if we tap on everyone, then everyone can just send us message requests. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.